Going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of the Mojo. Hope everyone had a great day today. We were just utterly fantastic again. Continuation from Thursday, moving into Friday. Nothing's better than the stocks that we've done today in the Mojo Day Trading room. I'll go through them today. You'll be quite amazed, as you were on Thursday and Friday, and I sent out the swing newsletter and spoke about it last night, and those stocks are up 192 and 102% respectively. So right here we have the two stocks right here, CETX at 278, up $1.84 and 193%, and DGLY at 230, up $1.16 and 103%. WRTC at $8, up $1.52 and 23%. See that? PRTS, $8, up $1.16. Had that on my list. Zynga this morning, $9.60, started at $9.40, up 45 cents, up 5% right there. Did really good on a lot of really good stocks. And I'll show you a recap of what we did in the room and how we've made money. So this is the Mojo Day Trading room right here. We came in this morning with DGLY at $2, just risking 2 cents. On the first pick, DGLY, and then the market opened, and we got CETX, and AESC, and WRTC. So you got the 3 picks right there. You got the DGLY, WRTC, AESE, and CETX. $3.50, $2, and $7.65. So let's head over to the main screen and see what they did, and I'll show you exactly how we traded them. The first one, DGLY right here. Here's the open of the stock market right here at 9:30. So right here at 9:30, we went in and we grabbed the little buy right there. And the average buy is 10,000 shares. So you bought 10,000 shares right at that mark, and that's 207. That's where I told everyone to buy it. And the stock made a move right up there to 275. 277. That's a 70-cent move and a $7,000 profit on the first trade. So trade number 1 was 7,000. Then it came down and we bought it again right here, and it went up again. This right here was another $7,000 trade. So on this stock you made $14,000. And right here, time-wise, is 10 a.m. So right here, it's 10 in the morning. In 30 minutes, you've made $14,000 on this stock right here. The other one was CETX. It did the same thing. So CETX, we bought it right here. As soon as it opened, it started to dip. We bought the dip, and she rode all the way back, all the way up right here. From right here is 215, 205, 207. Right, that's where we got it. 210, and right here is 310. On 10,000 shares, you made $10,000. So you have a 14,000, another 10's 24,000. She came down and made another big rip. Came down and made another huge rip. So between the two stocks, you've made $30,000 trading in the Mojo Day Trade room this morning. And then we have this stock, WRTC. Did its morning move, made a big pop up, came down and made another move, and that's where we're done trading that one. We haven't done any of this. So both of them already made a huge move. This right here, folks, is $7. This right here, folks, is $8. So you made another $1,000, $2,000 in your kittle for the morning, trading those. And then the other one was this AESE, and we bought this one right here, 10,000 shares. It's traded 63 million, so you can trade 10,000 shares no problem. And that right there is 370. And right here on the sell is 570. So you made 2 points and $20,000 on that trade in 30 minutes. And I gave it to everyone right here. AESE 350 right here. If it goes lower, we'll reprice, which it didn't. If it goes higher, boom, and Heinzing for the $4. Right there, AESE. AESE. Beautiful move right there. Then we did DGLY, AESE, DGLY. GNUS made a big move too. GNUS right here. Moved through 250. Went up nicely. SLGG right here at 350 to go through $4. We picked that one too. Let me show you what SLGG did. It went exactly like that from $3 to $4. So you have the move here this morning. We were waiting for it, and then it finally made a 4-bar move. And this move right here was from the 350. And this top right there is $4. So it made the move up to the $4. And you can see the high is 4. So that one made a good move. Zynga from this morning at 9:30, 9:40 right here. Has continued now. It's moving a scale higher and higher. It's doing really nice. And that's pretty much it. DKNG at 41 picked this morning right down here to go through 41. Made a beautiful move. Made a move again. Still going higher, exactly like the other one. Here's Z-Scaler, Heinz the 100, right here, down here on the bottom. 97, 98, 99. Here's the biggest move right there through Heinz 100. Went to 102.50 right there. And now it's continued up. If you switch to the 15-minute, it'll be in rail grind. It's at 107. Touches 111. It's going to go to 120. A Tesla this morning from 860 has gone up 20 more points. Right here from the open, we saw it right here down at 857 to go through 860. It made a blast up to 881. 30-point move. Now it's pretty much going sideways. So there's been some incredible picks going on in the MOJO Day Trade room on the day trading side. Welcome new traders to the room that got in on those picks today. Let me show you the swing picks. How we nailed that action. Dow's up 74 points in the wake of riots. Can you go figure that? I bet everyone lost on that bet. So we have a Crone 658. Covered call at 6. Expires on the 5th at 30 cents. Last time we saw it was 60 cents. What's it at now? Well, I mean, it must have been $1.06. It's $1.54. So this one, we have a 6. $1.50. We'll have to see what it's like on Friday. This one at 16, we have the $17 covered call. Looks good. Expire worthless. Federal Signal. GE's down. ADT and ACB. That one's looking good still. Let's see what this one's at. Sold it for $2.75. It's $1. Will expire worthless. All right, let's see what we have here for the swings. And the new picks from last night are included in here. So the guys watching this will get a nice update. Any of them that are down low still, you have an opportunity to buy. Any that are up, you'd be chasing. First one on the list is My Little Pony. And my gimbal, GMBL, is a high today. Opened around 8 from 885. So GNSS, $5 and $3.40 is $5.30 today. Been as high as $5.73. AOBC 1182. They sell guns. Guns are good right now. GBTC is going up from 1058. It's 1152. I'm raising the trail stop on GBTC from 10 to 11. AOBC raising the trail stop. Leave it at 11. Raise it to 1125. GNSS raise the trail stop. The low today is what? 465. If it closes 5 and below, you'll be gone out of that one. Those are oldies. And then Vuzi still down. Gimbal was 9. Where is it now? 772, 780. Up 130%. We'll still keep it right around there. See where it closes. You guys were down on. We were up on. You guys is red now. BKYI 75 cents even. DGLY got sold already this morning from 215. The high on DGLY swing pick today was 279. Still gonna hold some because last time it went to $30. FNGN at $1.34 is the same price. It's red by a penny. Arlo at 225 is 35, up 4%. Identiv at 430 is 456. Been to 470, up 6.05. Powerfleet at 480 is even, 481. Wrap at 750, already been over 8. Zixi at 680 is 712, up 4.7. FireEye at 13 is 1296. It's red, down 4 cents. OneSpan at 21 is 2124, up 1%. Napco Security at 23, 2309. Norton LifeLock at 22, 2180. These are all good picks, man. Got to protect your identity. Got to protect everything now. Shot Spotter will let anybody know, law enforcement, if anyone's coming in the area with a gun. Did you know that? Shot Spotter. If you come in the area with a gun, they'll get you. Check this one out. SSTI. Shot Spotter, up $3 right here. Look what they do. They precision policing and security solutions for law enforcement and security personnel in the United States, Africa, and the Bahamas. It includes the Shot Spotter, a public safety solution which serves cities and municipalities to identify and locate and deter gun violence by incorporating real-time gunshot detection systems in their policing system. And ShotSpotter Missions is a cloud-based patrol management solution to help police departments plan patrol missions and tactics for crime deterrence. The company provides the ShotSpotter Secure Campus that allows law enforcement and security serving universities and colleges and other educational institutions to mitigate risk and enhance security by notifying authorities and first responders of an active shooter. In addition, ShotSpotter Site Secure serves customers such as corporations and public agencies focused on protecting critical infrastructure, train stations, airports, freeways. Further, it provides Spot Shotter Labs, a technology to adapt and expand commercial technology to address significant wildlife and environmental issues. Big, big, big. Did you know that one? I brought that one to the table. That's a big one right there. They got a Shot Spotter in Vegas. That's a big one right there. That was a big company. I was glad when I did my research and found that one. And this one too, Rapid RPD 7. RPD, that's a good stock too. Look at this one. Rapid 7. Look what they do. Pretty interesting. They provide cybersecurity solutions. They incorporate, and the company offers a cloud-native insight platform that enables customers to create and manage analytics in a driven cybersecurity risk management program. Amazing, right? Things I find. And Storm Ruger, that's the gun company. I recommended it at 66. It went to 70 already this morning. Everyone needs to buy a gun. Always happens. And then Axon at 86 is 88. Up 2%, 4%, 6%. Boom, 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 boom across the board. All these picks on 6-1. 16 of them, and 3 wrong and 13 correct. That's a swing newsletter derived on results. And I told everyone last night, above, you can get the swing trade newsletter. All you would have had all those picks. Go ahead and chase them up 5 and 10% right now. It's a waste of your time. You got to wait for the ones next week now. You already missed them. And you could have got in the day trade room on those amazing picks this morning and gotten my day trading course for free. And that was a miss. That was a miss. Oh, we got a trade, guys, right here. Mojo's rocking right now. Can you believe it? Opportunity gift because I'm doing the show. 214, 215 entry. Add 18, 19. And then sell 22 to 24. If it dips, number 2 is lower at SS02. SS02. Beauty trade. Gift. Gift of a gift of a gift. That's a gift. So Friday we had stocks that did the same exact thing. SNOA and A-Bio the day before. A-Bio is down $3 right now. Went to 21. A-Bio. Right here. See it? Oh, it just changed by accident. I moved it. CEDGLY, AESE. What else? That's pretty much it, man. We have Zynga in the swing. We're going to lose that now, it looks like. Oh, we already lost Zynga. Zynga's gone already in May. Today's the first day of the new month. Zynga got called away at $7 a share. Made 22% and 6.71 on Zynga. Apple strong today. Here goes DGLY 217. Added. Crypto's doing good. Did good over the weekend. Ethereum follows its siblings' footsteps in a Phoenix hard fork. Crypto travel booking site Travel sees a 40-month increase despite the pandemic. XRP price shake 30-month lows versus Bitcoin may start a rally. XRP is Ripple. Ripple coin. Ripple's a nice coin. It's at 21 cents right now. Really may make a nice move on that Ripple. I like Ripple. So Bitcoin's 95.84, Ripple's 20.5. Show you where these are going. 10,000, Once it's 10,000, go touch 11, go right to 19,000. 2 days, way low, way higher. People don't know. People don't know what happens when it touches 11. There's no 12. There's no 13. There's no 14. There's no 15, 16, 17, 18. Right there, it hovers at 19, and then she's gone. Do you understand? 238 on Ethereum. It's going to go to 400 and go test mini Heinz 500. Ripple at 20 cents, going to go to 50 cents. Last time it ran to $1 and change. Don't expect it as much as big as the Bitcoin. This isn't the first move to Bitcoin. First move in Bitcoin right there. And then you've got a couple other ones. Beauties. Litecoin at 46, going to 100. Cardano at 7. It's going to touch 11. Go right to 19. Exactly like Bitcoin. 07 and 09 make no difference. Once it touches 11, it's gone. Same thing with this. Stellar Lumens at 7. Once it touches 11, gone. Monero, once it goes 80, 90, it'll Heinz into 100. Tron already touched 11. It's at 16, headed right to 19. Neo already touched 11 a couple of days ago. It's 12.50 on its way to 19. Dash at 77. Once it touches 80, it's going to go 90 into Heinz 100. And then it's going to blast to 150. Used to be $1,600 a coin. This one at 22 already touched 11, went to 12, now it's at 22. See how it works? Love it. The price of Bitcoin should rise to as high as 12,000 within next month, some traders say. I say a lot higher. Predictions for an extended uptrend emerged as the dominant cryptocurrency steadied amid declining volatility for about 5 days. Historically, Bitcoin tends to see large price movements following a long period of stability. For over 100 hours, the price of Bitcoin remained in a 2% range, which is abnormally low level of volatility. Why analysts are saying 12,000? Because since 2019, the price of Bitcoin's moved within a cycle determined by its all-time high of 2017 and the peak in 19, which was 19,000. Yeah. So they're just following my trend. So definitely you should be having some Bitcoin in the mix. Bitcoin in the mix, guys. I'm blinking all over the place. That's why DGLY just got filled down there. See that 207 on the bid? Beautiful. What a gift, huh? What a gift. Really amazing gift for you guys on the Mojo Show this afternoon that you're able to get that down here at 207. Using graphite design Tour ABB shafts. Yeah, I don't hit graphite. Actually looking to get some new clubs. TaylorMade M5 9 degree. I have the Big Bertha 9 degree. The great big. I'm thinking about I want a different, sexier looking driver. I've had the same clubs for a long time. I have the OptiForce 3 wood and 5 wood. It's like 9 years old, but I hit him so good. Trying a Ping G410 driver. Too much spin. You know what, Van, you want to hear something? When I went in to Golf Tech, I went in to get, I went in for a fitting to see if, I get changed loft design, this and that. And he's like, dude, you don't need much help with your clubs. I'll give you a little lesson and we'll split it. I'm like, okay. So he called me a unicorn. He says, I can't help you. We tried every combination. I have no spin on the ball. Everybody else has high spin rates, too much spin, and the people, when you go to get golf lessons, try to take the spin and decrease it to have less spin. So the ball, when you drive it, it's not spinning and curving. It has a lot of spin. It flies out like a bullet. Low spin. Me, I have low spin. Every club he tried, I couldn't generate more spin. He's like, dude, I've never had a student like you ever in the history of my teaching. Every single student wants to decrease the spin rate, and you need to increase the spin rate, and I can't get you to do that. So I was a unicorn. I can't. My driver just hits bombs, dude. Hellacious Seeds. So yeah, I'm looking at a couple different clubs. I want to get the looking at this one right here. You want to say hello to the boys? They're here. They're right there on the floor. Looking at what are you looking at? The M5 versus the M7. Here's the M5, the M6. What about the Sim? The Sim driver looks sweet, dude. It's all blue and nice. $549. Right here, the Sim. Look at that, baby. Love high spin rates. I don't know what that means. No, I'm on your driver. On my wedges, I have plenty of spin, dude. My irons, I have plenty of spin. I'm talking about the driver. Couldn't get me to get some spin rate up on it. My wedges, I spin the pateesies off of it. Love them. Love my new wedges. Sim, aerodynamic. Ooh, look at that. It's pretty. The Sim Max, and the Sim Max D. Head size is the same, 460. Launch, low, mid, and high. The Sim Max D versus the Sim driver. Got a high launch, oversized. Face size is oversized versus the Sim, 18% larger. The face of that sucker does have no movable weights, but the Sim you can move around and stuff. Draw biased on the Sim Max D versus the Sim. Used on tour, no, with the Max D, but yes with the Sim. So this seems like a good one, the Sim Max D. Doesn't have the movable weight though. See, I like this one because it's got the movable weight. So this would be the club right here, the Sim driver. With that sliding weight right there in the middle. See that weight right there? Push that baby up and down. Get the perfect 9 degree. I like it. 549. Whoever wants to buy that for me. It's a 9. My driver's 9 degree. Whoever wants to buy this for me, you right ahead, baby. Mojo would love that gift. Look what that baby looks like on the top. Ooh, look at that face. Look at that head cover. I'll take one of those. Look at that. It's only $549, guys. And then I'm looking right here. You want to see what these irons? Nice irons. Right here, a lot of pros hit these right here. the P790s. See them? A lot of pros hit those. They're 1300. You got these right here, these new ones. And then you got these right here. A lot of pros hit these too, the P790 Ti's. And then these are right here are more of a forged club. This third one, forged. But then you got the P760s are nice right behind there. These are the new Sim irons. I like these right here. These P790s and 760s. I like the 760 with the back right there like that. That little groove, how it goes in there like that. Little in groove, big weight right there, and I like this one. It's nice. Nice. What do they got? I don't. But what I would need, I'm gonna buy these individually, because I don't need. I only need a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So I would just buy them individually. P760. Come right here and go 9 iron. Just buy it individually. Right here, it's 174. So it would cost me 174 a club instead of buying a whole set. So it would be 174. I need a 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Need 6 clubs. It's 1,044. Do they have any discounts? Maybe get a little discount. Yeah, that's how much a new set of clubs would be. Nice. Gotta love that you make money trading. Gotta contemplate going out and getting a new set. I have some 15-year-old Big Berthers. No. I have those too. I have Callaway X12s. I have Callaway. 3 sets of different Callaways. I have Mizuno MPs. And I got those Callaways are graphite shafts, by the way. But it's all old stuff. It's like an old gun. It's just used to good to look at, but not to use. Yeah, if you're an amateur. Not when you got game like me, man. Every single stroke counts. An old bladed 2 iron. It's tough. You know how long I would hit a 2 iron? I hit a 4 iron 225. I'd hit a 2 iron 280. 270 with the roll. The hellacious seed. Dude, I used to hit a 1 iron, dude. In college. 1 iron I used to hit. That's a big... Jack Nicklaus used to hit a 1 iron. That's why. I used to love Jack. I used to do the same thing. Put the head back. Like this. And smash. You know why Jack does that? When he goes like this and he moves his head back like that before the swing. You know why Jack Nicklaus does that? You know why? I'll tell you why if you're interested. Why? Because if your head is let's say it's even right here, okay? This is back like Jack and this is up. Most people have their head either like center or like towards the front. And what happens, it's not a swing trigger. But let me show you what it is. When you put your arms down and you swing and your head is here, your shoulder will hit your chin and move your head up. If your head is back, your shoulders move and swing between your head frame without touching your chin. So Jack was able to pull his head back and then make that swing so his shoulders made the full rotation without touching his face. A lot of golfers keep their face here, and when they come back, it comes here, and this touches here, and it lifts their head up because the shoulder comes under the chin and it makes your head move up. Did you know that? See, dude, you learn something new every day. You learn something new every day about that action, huh? Nice. Yeah, you didn't know. Now you know. You should try that and see if your head moves on your shoulder when you bring it back. If your shoulder touches your face at all, dude, you got to move your head back. Check it out. You'll be like Jack. Because it's consistency. That trigger made him really consistent. Every single golfer has a trigger, dude, that they do. They've all figured it out. Absolutely. So it just went to 217. 217. Yeah, see, Van didn't know that. You like to see that? Trying some PUR, the PGR, the PR. You know who hits those, Van? One of the best golfers in the entire world with natural ability. Hits the PXG irons. You know who? And it's sponsored by PXG. You know who that is? Really an idol of mine in golf. I've really followed and tried to develop a game similar to the consistency and results of this person that hits PXG irons. Do you know who that is? I'll give you a hint. She's amazing. It's not a man. Who hits the PXG irons that I love and is one of the best woman golfers with amazing results? One of the best natural, pure shot women golfers out there. Who is it? You got to know, Van. Come on, dude. You researching it right now? Let's see if it's on the homepage. Her name is LK. Miss Lydia Ko. She is amazing. She is little. She's tiny. She hits the ball a freaking mile. PXG irons, dude. Game changer. Check it out. See, they got all them little circles in the back. See, buy now. Look at those forged ones. Those are nice. The 021 launch higher, go further, more forgiving, sweet spot the size of Texas. Right here, the PXG Core 2s. And you got the PXG 0311 standards. And then the Core right here. Look at those babies. They're badass, huh? Lydia Ko. PXG. See? Lydia Ko, what's in the bag, baby? She's a badass. You want to be a badass golfer? You be Lydia Ko. Started playing golf at the age of 5. Began her career at 16. 2 months after turning pro, she won her first event, the youngest female golfer in history of the sport to be ranked number 1. And she recorded 14 victories and 53 top 10 finishes, bubbies. April of 2016, she won it all. And then she played in the Olympics, where she won the silver. I saw the Olympics last night, the Rio, with Justin Rose won against Henrik's Stenson last night. Was blasting that 3-wood out there. He was, boy. He's good with that 3-wood. And that's it. She's got the Gen 2 driver. She's got the 3-wood, the 5-wood, the hybrid, the irons, the Sugar Daddy wedge, and the Lydia wedge. Right there. The Sugar Daddy, the Zulu, the Romeo. Look at that. The Sugar Daddy, 60 degree. Looks pretty sweet. Oh, look at that wedge, huh? Sweet. Available in chrome and dark. So I need a 48 degree right here. Perfect. I need a 52, a 56, and a 60. That's what I hit. Nice irons. Love them. 219 now on that. So you can sell some right here. Right on the mark. 219 to 22. Sell. Follow the trades in the room. Because I don't give many of them, but the ones I do, you make a lot of money on if you follow them. So this last one in the room, I gave out when we came back from lunch. First trade DGLY gift. Entry 215 down there on the dip down, which we did, and sold at 18 and 19 and higher into 22 and 24, where it says it right there. You see it? And right now it's 22. 22. This other swing pick I have is doing really good today. It's called Cardiff Oncology. CRDF. Cardiff. It's right here at 292 at May Hines 3. I've been watching it for a couple of hours, guys. Is the swing pick Cardiff. Here it is. Cardiff Oncology. Cost $1.80 in the 518 newsletter. Cardiff. You want to see something cool? What I added to the Swing newsletter drive. So in the Swing newsletter now, on the bottom, right here is May, April. There's a tab on the bottom. You can scroll all the way back. Showed this last night to my first newsletter I've ever sent out in December of 2012. I picked Facebook and AMD at $2. Now, I didn't show it last night, but let's go to November of 2015 when the riots happened in Paris. And let's see what stocks we traded. October. SSRI. That's silver. We were trading silver and gold. All right, here it is. November. This is when it happened. Viraloscopics at $4. ACRX at $4. Zixi, yep, Zixi's one of the picks right now. Yep, Kratos Defense and Security, $5. Remember that one? Taser. How about the Taser? Remember that stock? Taser, TASR. Remember that? It's not a stock anymore. 224 on DGLY. I remember that stock. I wonder what happened to Taser. TASR. No matches, but it used to be a stock. Remember that with the tasers? And then you have Zoma. Look, Arcadia. Gene. Goodrich Petroleum. Remember that little company? Goodrich. Sun Edison. Look, Vicon Industries. VII. That used to be a security company. Look. And Maggle Securities. Remember that one? VII. Here's VII. Security. They manufactured digital video systems and components for the security and surveillance market. It was $2. Vicon, VII. And Maggle, MAGS, Mag Security, MAGS. Maggles, MAGS. Remember that one? MAGS. It's right here, Mags. It's up 18% and 6%. Not a lot of volume. It's, I think, an Israeli company. It has nothing to do with here in the U.S. That's why I didn't pick it. And the other one was VII. It's gone. They already got bought out. Then you have Applied DNA, APDN, another one. during that crisis, and that's a $9 right now. Here it was 3. LoJack for your cars. Remember to stop breaking in your cars. I picked LoJack, LOJN. Remember that one? For the riots, everyone was breaking into cars. LOJN. Already got bought out. Remember that one? Lakeland Industries. Remember that one for the hazmat suits and the that's also in the security. And there was a whole bunch of security picks. I saw Lakeland in the research last night. Should be up today. 14.46. About even, down 4 cents. Here's Fortinet, $33. FTNT. They do video surveillance. FTNT. That was that pick. I think it's 100 and change right now. $144 a share, up $5 today from 33. And then UMA, is that still a stock? UMA's $13.40. What do? They create connected experiences for consumers, smart cloud-based software. And then had LoJack and then silver. So those were the picks. Let's see if anything happened the next month in December. Fortinet, 33 to 36. Maggles. Lakeland. Groupon. Mankind. Remember that company? Mankind. And then January, I think that was it. Sun Edison, remember that one? All right, so that's it. That's a good update today on all the stocks in the trading. I'm pretty much done for the day. I'm pretty much done for the day. Let's see how my traders did. Demo 72 locked. Let's see what you got locked on. You got locked trading IMMU. Nice. You deserve it. Off the reservation. I didn't trade IMMU. So you're trading Boeing, XPSL, RCL, Boeing, RCL, Boeing. So that's why you lost today. I mean, if you're better, you got the better picks than me, man. Obviously, they weren't. You done. Demo 42. You lost. Oh, I know who that is. Lost again. Let's see. At least you didn't get auto closed. Doing Apple off the reservation and Boeing off the reservation. Yeah, there's why you're losing. So done there too. So Demo 72 and 42 are the biggest losers, and they traded none of the stocks or did nothing with me in the MOJO Day Trade room. Their trading careers will be over before it even gets started. This person right here is losing also, and is trading Beyond at 137 and sold it at 135 for a $2 loss. It's terrible. You should have sold it at 137.10 as soon as you knew it was going under 137 and bought it back at 135, and now Beyond is 136. So TVIX, wrong stock to trade in the demo. Big spread, too much volatility. Got to trade UVXY instead. That's why you lost. This demo right here, 56. Traded you guys. Trade in the beginning, you traded DGLY, you did good. Oh, you sold for a loss at stopping station. Never sell for a loss at stopping station. You don't start out with 300 shares. So this first trade was terrible. UVXY, you did a good trade right there. Didn't sell in the 80s though, but you made a profit. GNUS, you made a profit. AES, did you hold it over 5? Nope, sold it for a loss. DGLY right here, made a profit. Then you made a loss. SLGG, sold for a loss. Then you did Tilray, made nothing. SLGG for Heinz right here, you sold for a loss. AESE for Heinz, you sold for a loss. So you're just all over the place, dude. That's not 94. 100 shares, 108. How many 100 you're going to buy down? It's called a reprice. You don't keep on buying. That's bad trading right there. Don't have to look no more. Anyone make money? Very few. Very few. All right. When anyone wants to help, you let me know. I'll be here. Trying to lay the help. Cardif's $2.99. Told you. It's about to go through 3. Are you following that, right, Clingy? You heard me talk about that one, right? Rocky, you're on 57. Yeah, you made $51. Good job. Show you what you did here for the day. DGLY 100 at 22, AESC at 369, and sold at Heinz 402, 420. Amazing trade. Amazing trade. Just got to have a little bit more shares there, that's all, but otherwise you're good. Are you set on 100? I got to change it. That's why. Yep. So now you're 1,500. So you would have made a lot more tomorrow. You're raised. Done. Good job. Now you're at 1,000. Nice work. Showed me you can really do it. That would have been a trade right there of several $100s, Rocky. Great job. I want you to do the same thing when you have 1,000 shares. DGLY again, SLGG, good job. You could have held that a little bit. Oh, DGLY, good job, man. Excellent. Excellent work. Nice profit. Just changed you. I'll change all you guys that are profitable today to 1,000 shares and 2,000 max. Done. Those are some good trade reviews right there. That's what we did. Oh yeah, here it goes, this thing. That was a good trade review, man. Let's see what JB's up to. Wake to wake trick.
Today I'm going to teach you how to go wake to wake. started, I just wanted to say that this video is sponsored by Centurion Boats and Hyperlight Wakeboards.
Nice,
So
JB.
to wake for the very first time, or maybe you've tried before, or I don't really know where you're at, but some things you're going to want to already know how to do before trying to jump wake to wake would be basically just with you to make you even higher in the air as you are traveling across both wakes. You're going to want to find that landing over here. You're going to look at the downside of the wake over here. Make sure you try and land on the downside of that wake. Bend your knees on impact and sort of ride away on your heel side edge, edging out away from the boat.
Nice. Such a smooth character. Such a smooth character. PRGR. Yeah. Yeah, let me know how they hit them PRGRs. Absolutely. UVXY looking at 34, guys. Nice. Always some good trading going on in the MOJO Day Trade room. I know.
Nailed it!
Uh-huh.
Dude, you just nailed it.
I always do.
That's awesomely sweet!
Yeah, I know. Gotta love it. All right, guys. Anybody have any other questions? I take them otherwise. No harm, no foul. Keep it in the fairway. Keep it profitable. And if you want to learn how to day trade, you come into the MOJO Day Trade room. I do this every single day. I make a video about it. And after my show, you'll probably see 2 videos pop up above your head right there. Feel free to verify everything I'm doing. I do every day and have been doing for 8 years. And it's easy enough, as you could see, that you can do it as well. Tell you when to buy. Tell you when to sell. And help you bank those profits and manage those expectations properly. Subscribe to my channel, and until the next show, peace. Keep it profitable, and I'll see you tomorrow. Later.